Allrecipes member Sarah is a fan of this delicious pesto sauce because it whips up fast and there's really no way to mess it up. Sarah adds extra garlic, but admits she's a garlic fiend. Pesto sauce can be pricey to purchase, but it's very economical to make at home, especially if you have an abundant crop of basil in your garden. We'll start with 3 cups of basil leaves that have been rinsed and dried. A salad spinner works perfectly for this task. Place the basil leaves in the bowl of a food processor. Then add 1½ cups of chopped walnuts. You could also use pine nuts for an authentic Italian flavor. Peel 4 cloves of garlic and toss those in too. Then add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and process the mixture. With the processor running, slowly pour in 1 cup of olive oil through the feeder tube. Then salt and pepper to taste. Once all the oil is incorporated, transfer the sauce to a bowl. There are many great uses for pesto sauce, but perhaps everyone's favorite way to enjoy it is to toss it with hot cooked pasta. Sip a glass of wine and dip a piece of crusty bread to sop up the extra sauce, and you have a meal fit for a king.